I found love. It made me say that get back. You'll never see daylight if I'm not strong. It is fine. It's unfair. I found love. It made me say that get back. You'll never see daylight if I'm not strong. It is fine.
They figure me a dead motherfucker, but I'm just a motherfucker that wanna be that slow. Living with the lead in his head, turning me into his sweater. Bitches use me as a fucking best friend. I'll be the silhouette of a sunset, smoke a cigarette while I compress. My depression staring to the violet, progressing lies, getting violent. I'm trying to get the highest I can get before all the does and that. My ribs are nothing but an empty cage, black coal in my chest, big bang. I'm a plate on the tip of a wave. In my head I feel like I'm like a on my throat all away. Because when I am dead I will be nothing, decomposing in the grave. I'm mad but I don't matter, I can feel my skull shattered from the dough chatter. Brain splattered on the wall, gray stains will dissolve, then I have to paint it on.
It's unfair. I found love. It made me say that get back. You'll never see daylight if I'm not strong. It is
Always boasting my emotions on how I'm so fucking broken. Think I'm joking when I'm talking about blowing my head open to the moment you walk in and find my body motionless, wrist slit, thoughts of slipping, falling in an open pit. Shit, always burn my bridges, cause I'd rather fall in ditches. If life's a game of inches and my dick has been the biggest, then my goal's to fuck the world until that motherfucker's twitching lanes, switching, same mission to die and blame my addiction, bitch.
It's unfair. I found